Okay, so now I'm going to cover leg extensions, okay? You have leg extensions and leg curls. You also have unilateral, which obviously means one, and bilateral. So if you want to do a proper leg extension, which they recommend the older that you get, that you stay away from these, okay? Because it puts a lot of stress on your kneecap. So, but if you don't put too much weight on here, this is something I do every week, okay? It's just a standard. I put a 45 on there, maybe two 45s, 90 pounds, whatever it is. And it's just a straight, you don't have to lock your knees out. Just bring them up to where it feels comfortable and back down. That would be bilateral because I'm using both my legs. If I want to go unilateral, then I have to put one leg off and I'm just doing one leg. Sometimes that's good, just to change things up and focus one leg instead of two. And then if you did 10 on that leg, of course, then you can just switch and do 10 on this leg, okay? So that's unilateral and bilateral leg extensions.